Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a square coaster. I am using a 5 mm crochet hook size and 2 strands of yarn together to make a beautiful textured look. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this. With the help of crochet hook, make a magic ring. And now we would start our first round. Make chain 1, go into this ring and then draw a loop. We have 2 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is our single crochet stitch. Now make single crochet 2 into the magic ring, then make single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, then single crochet 7, and the last one is single crochet 8. After making 8 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn strand and close this magic ring. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, and our first round is completed. Now we would start the second one. So for the second one, make chain 1, go into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch and make a single crochet, then go into the next stitch which is second single crochet stitch, and we would make corner of our square in this stitch also. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3 into this second single crochet stitch. Now here is our third single crochet stitch. Make 1 single crochet in it. Into the fourth one we would make 3 single crochet stitches for our second corner. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3. In the next stitch make 1 single crochet, and into the next one for the corner make 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, and then 3. Go into the next single crochet stitch and make a single crochet, and here is our last single crochet stitch, and we would make 3 single crochet stitches for our last corner in this stitch. And now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of the second round, and our second round is completed too. Now we would start our third round. So for the third round again make chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same single crochet stitch where we have made slip stitch. Then we have 3 stitches of corner. In the first one make a single crochet, and second one is the middle stitch of our corner. So this is our corner stitch. Now we will make single crochet 1, then single crochet 2, and single crochet 3 into this middle stitch. You can use a stitch marker also to identify the corner stitch. Now make a single crochet into the third single crochet stitch. So use a stitch marker in the middle stitch of corner, which is the second stitch. If you can't identify it, now make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch, and after that we have 3 stitches of our corner again. In the first one, make 1 single crochet, and second one is our middle stitch again, in which we would make corner stitches now. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3 into this same stitch. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next simple stitch, make 1 single crochet, and after that again we have 3 stitches of corner. Make 1 single crochet in one, and in the second make 3 single crochet stitches for the corner. 1, 2, and then 3. After that repeat the process. Make single crochet in every second stitch of corner and 1 single crochet in every other stitch. Now in the last we have this last single crochet stitch. Make a single crochet in it, make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, and our third round is also completed. Now to start the fourth one, make chain 1, make a single crochet in the same stitch, then make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch, and then make a single crochet in the very first stitch of corner, and then into the second stitch, which is here, make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, single crochet 3 into the next stitch, make single crochet, and in this way make single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches also. After these 4 stitches, again we have second stitch for our corner, which is here. You can identify the corner stitch due to square shape also, otherwise you can use a stitch marker if you want. So in this way make single crochet in every single crochet stitch, and in every second corner stitch make 3 single crochet stitches, and complete every round and proceed more rounds according to your required width with the same pattern. So I have made 8 rounds for this coaster. You can make more rounds if you want. Now cut these yarn strands, and for the final round I will use these 2 strands together. So first of all, join this yarn by making a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round. Now make knot of these yarn strands, and I have woven these yarn strands inside single crochet stitches with the help of yarn needle. Now we would start working. So make chain 1, make a single crochet stitch into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Now go into the second single crochet stitch, make a single crochet in it. You can make other border edging designs also, like you can make zigzag pattern of chain 1 and slip stitch into every stitch, or you can make back single crochet stitch also. Now complete this round. So I have made all single crochet stitches till the end. Now pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of yarn needle we would weave this yarn end in a different way to get a perfect fine chain edging. So for this purpose, pull this yarn needle through both loops of first single crochet stitch and then through only back loops of the last single crochet stitch of this round, and you can see a perfect chain edging is made in this way. Now weave this yarn end in backside stitches. So I have woven the yarn ends and our beautiful single crochet square coaster is ready. I hope you guys like this pattern. So give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.